Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be showing you what anvils can break and what anvils cannot. Today we're going to be testing out rail. By rail I mean all these rails, but I'm only going to choose one. The ladder, the minecart, the lever. There's always some blocks in there I know it does break. Button, pressure plate, tripwire hook, and redstone. Keep in mind I did this test beforehand, but I want you guys to see what I found. I'm going to use one block for this. Alright, sorry. I'm kind of going crazy. I really don't need this block for that. This one. We're going to be at least this high. Most of you may be asking yourselves, well, if you already done this before, why are you showing us? Because some of you don't even know what the anvils can break. As you can tell, over there in the distance, you can barely see I tested it out. Oh, why that's not fine? This is going to is this. That don't make sense. Alright, so over here, first the rail, and it's crushed. The minecart. At least you can get it back. That's good news. The ladder. Oof. The ladder does not want to break for it. The button breaks. Lever. And I'm probably going to fast for the video to catch up. Anyways. Over to the next one, we got the pressure plate. Oof. Pressure plate also holding out strong. Tripwire hook. Seems to cut it. And finally the redstone dust. Cuts it. So as you can tell, guys, 2 out of the 8 items here withstood the fall damage from an anvil. That's actually quite surprising, considering the fact that the anvil is heavy. But should we test out sugarcane to see? I had a question about sugarcane a while ago. What would happen if an anvil fell? What would happen if an anvil fell on it? Okay. Oh my god. I'm forgetting how to freaking plant sugarcane. Alright, let's say this is natural growing. Oh. Okay. Please tell me something. Ooh! So then it just glides right through sugarcane and breaks at the bottom. You expect it to actually destroy sugarcane. Okay? Hey, listen, now I'm testing things I never tested, okay? I'll just find this easier now. And they're all sided up. Nope, the fire escapes wouldn't with that. This is gonna be so cruel. Zapping. Because we already know a tree can freaking take a heavy object to the face. I'm not gonna question it. Alright, so that'll be it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, and a rating down below. And after all, have a good day. Catch you all later. Bye.